Hello, it's Heather and Phil, and we are in downtown Chattanooga. We're walking through the intersection of High Street and East 4th, and we're down here because there's supposed to be a George Floyd protest going on here in a little while. We're going to eat at Jefferson's first, and then we're going to try to document the protest with photography. I've got the Z50 in both kit lenses, and that gives me 24 to 375 millimeter equivalent, and Heather has the D7100 with the Tamron 18 to 400, and that gives her 27, I think, to 600 equivalent. So we should be able to cover anything. Now, I want to say that I don't want to get political on this channel, and we don't hate the police. We're not anti-police type people at all. Matter of fact, a very good friend of mine is a police officer, or was a police officer for years. We're going to the right here, honey?
Yeah, we can.
So that's not what we're trying to say at all, but we do feel like, or I feel like, I don't want to speak for Heather, I feel like there's probably been violence from some, not all, but some police officers against African-American folks for years and years, way before there were cell phone cameras. And I don't have a problem at all with a peaceful protest about that sort of a thing. Now, I think that when protests start doing looting and burning stuff and throwing things, that kind of defeats the purpose of the protest. So hopefully that doesn't happen today. This is supposed to be a peaceful protest. That's what it's promoted as, and we're going to try to document it with our cameras. We're going to try to make photographs of the people and their signs, and I think it should be a fun experiment, a fun exercise with photography. So let's go eat, and then we'll get started on that. All right, it's 1:34. Lunch was great. We're about 4 minutes late to this shindig, but we are heading down towards where we're supposed to meet, which is, what is it supposed to be, Walnut and 6th? And time to start taking pictures, see what's happening. Well, that worked out pretty good. It was a nice, peaceful protest. Everybody was respectful. There was one street preacher there who was trying to make it all about him instead of all about what it's actually supposed to be all about. And that was the closest to there being a problem. He was being very disrespectful and talking out of turn and talking about himself. He wasn't really talking about Jesus that much. He was mostly talking about himself, and that's not what we're here for. So other than that, it was very peaceful. Heather took over 300 pictures.
Yeah.
I took nearly 300. So surely there'll be a couple. As you can see right now, the light is extraordinarily harsh. So it'll be a struggle in that way. But anyway, I'm glad we came. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.